Friggin' right, boys. I'm doing a big test of camera mount. Oh yeah, friggin' ambulance. Disco lights, we call them. Disco lights. Because all them lights are not just emergency lights, it's like a friggin' disco. Big rush today. Latest frig. Latest frig, boys. Go. Some people are just going to friggin' shop and don't give a fuck. Like this one. I'm a latest frig and I need to be in workplace as fast as possible. So yeah, friggin' right. I just checked some friggin' videos on YouTube. And Loggy got a new video about this friggin' Carphonics. Carphonics make good installation of subwoofer and friggin' additional speakers in this car. It's pretty awesome. Interesting video, so
friggin' awesome. Friggin' awesome. Son of a bitch.
Was a big match yesterday, Holland, England, and it was cancelled. It'll be today at 4 o'clock British time, and was cancelled because of a friggin' rain. Well, they call that stadium biggest swimming pool in the world. And football fans started running around, you know, showing that they can swim on that grass. It was friggin' hilarious.
Oh shit, half a breathing in.
Yeah, buddy, shoot shit.
We'll see my test video. If it'll be bad, I'll just cancel it. That's it. I'll just delete it, freak's sakes, and that'll be quite okay. Maybe I'll post it, then you can watch and tell me what you think. What do you think about my freaking camcorder mount? It's the same as before. Go, don't friggin' brake, just friggin' go. I don't have friggin' all day. That's a bumpy place, a bit. Bad road. Previous car used to have a sunroof, yeah? So that was a big plus. Because I was connecting the friggin' camcorder mount straight to sunroof glass from bottom, you know. This one don't have friggin' sunroof, so small problem. It's not too bad because angle of this windshield so big that I can connect my section friggin' windshield mount direct to windshield. It's not too bad. Let's go. Wanna bump or you going? Yeah, so we'll see. My friggin' fuel consumption is not too bad. 48.2 today. Vloggin. And even fast driving sometimes giving me about 52. So it's really nice. I thought that car would be worse on fuel, but it's not bad. I like this Honda. I like this Honda very much. But the main problem is, it's a problem and big plus of this car is sport suspension. It's awesome. It's awesome for sport style driving like I prefer. Fast roundabouts and yeah, fast cornering and things like that, very nice. But the thing is, when you're sitting in this car, you're shaking like like crazy. It's very hard suspensions, it's hard ride, and you're just jumping all the time. But after a few weeks, you can use to this. It's no problem then. Yeah, so friggin' autumn and winter is coming. I can see that. Today is not too bad, so nothing special happened, you know. It's mostly a test video, so I'll think I'll finish that very soon, and we'll see what happens. It's not, a real vlog or something, just test video, boys, so keep watching. Yeah, and up to now it's not too bad, but just tell me what you think, I'm waiting for comments. Is that not too shaky, or and maybe I need to change something, because it's connected right to friggin' windshield, so it's quite quite stiff. And this car got sport suspension and low profile wheels, so it's a hard ride. Hard ride, boys, so that's a quite bumpy road, this one, so that's a good opportunity to test it, because on motorway should be a way better, because it's completely flat. But roads like this one got potholes and some bumps and things like that, so like this one, for example. So we'll see. I hope that'll be not too bad, and see you later, boys.